nourishing smoothie for peonies and hydrangeas. Your garden will overflow with blooms, and it's made from ingredients you usually throw away. The first ingredient, banana peels. They're a natural elixir packed with everything your flowers need to grow strong and healthy. They boost blooming and plant immunity. Peel 2 bananas and toss the peels into a blender. Next, add eggshells, full of calcium, magnesium, and potassium to support root development and strengthen stems. Throw in a few shells. Now add coffee grounds, a real treat for plants. Rich in nitrogen, they promote leafy growth and improve soil structure. Add 5 tablespoons of dried grounds to the blender. Pour in 1 liter of water to bring everything together. Blend for about 2 minutes until smooth. You've just made an all-natural, eco-friendly liquid fertilizer. Store it in an airtight container. Water your peonies and hydrangeas with it once a week, and they'll reward you with lush, vibrant blooms. It's like a home spa treatment for your garden. Additionally, its flowers bloom longer and keep a more intense color. If you're wondering why your hydrangea will grow like this, try this trick. It's all about a special eco-friendly fertilizer made from orange peels. To prepare a homemade fertilizer for hydrangeas from orange peels, just follow a few steps. Peel the oranges, then spread the peels on a baking tray. Bake them in the oven at about 260 degrees Fahrenheit for around 2 hours. After that, take them out. Once they cool down, blend them. Transfer the blended peels into a jar. Using it is very easy and quick. Simply sprinkle it over the top layer of soil and add the peels. You can also turn this fertilizer into a perfect spray. Mix the peels from the jar with water and pour it into a spray bottle. Orange peels slightly acidify the soil, which is very beneficial for flowers. This natural fertilizer also works as a repellent against aphids. Your hydrangeas will look better than ever. Instead of throwing it away, water your hydrangeas with it. They'll bloom until fall, with beautiful flowers and a plant that gets bigger every year. What's often treated as waste can become valuable fertilizer for hydrangeas. It helps them grow and bloom by providing essential minerals. Phosphorus supports blooming and root development. Potassium enhances flower cluster development and stimulates new shoots. Magnesium is crucial for photosynthesis and also affects root growth. Without it, the plant weakens and the leaves turn yellow. Nitrogen supports the growth of both the underground and above-ground parts of the plant and ensures proper leaf coloration. To prepare this fertilizer, all you need are coffee grounds. Instead of pouring them down the sink or into the compost, pour them around the flowers. That's it. This will ensure lush hydrangea blooms that will catch the eyes of all your neighbors. Add to water and water the peonies. It's the best spring fertilizer for peonies. And soon the peonies will be covered in flowers in return. At this time of year, peonies start to sprout. Here's how beautifully their shoots start to grow. Spring is the right time to start fertilizing them. They are coming to life, and you can provide them with better conditions with the right fertilizer. In a few weeks, you will admire beautiful buds. They will increase every day. Then they will only bloom and smell beautiful. No one can pass by their flowers indifferently. Although they bloom briefly, it's hard to resist their charm. That's why it's worth taking care of them to make them even more beautiful this year. You can make this simple fertilizer anytime. It's best to water the peonies with it from early spring. All you need is a bucket of warm water. Prepare a fertilizer in it that will provide the peonies with the necessary nutrients for growth. It will strengthen their roots and stimulate flowering. Dissolve a cube of yeast in 10 liters of warm water. Leave it for an hour to dissolve and then water the peonies. This non-fermented yeast fertilizer is simple and quick to prepare. If you make fertilizer with yeast and sugar, then leave such fertilizer for a week. After this time, dissolve 1 cup in 10 liters of water and only then water the peonies. Dissolve in water and water your peonies with this in March. You'll spend only pennies on this, and in a few weeks their stems will be bending under the weight of buds. They will reward you with beautiful large flowers. If you want to enjoy peony flowers longer and expect a more abundant bloom, make this fertilizer. It is only used in spring. March is the best time to do it. New stems of these beautiful flowers are already emerging from the ground. If they have the right conditions, their beautiful flowers will delight everyone. The proper fertilizer will provide them with everything they need at the moment. You surely have this product at home, and just 1 spoonful is enough to make it into a fertilizer. It is the perfect fertilizer for acid-loving plants, just like peonies. Simply dissolve 1 tablespoon in a bucket of water and water the peonies. This fertilizer will provide them with the proper pH of the soil. They will easily absorb the necessary nutrients, including calcium and potassium. It will also protect against diseases. Prepare about 10 liters of water. Add 1 tablespoon of citric acid to it. Dissolve and water the peonies. The acid will maintain a slightly acidic pH of the soil. This is suitable for peonies. Thanks to this, they will soon bloom beautifully. Water your pansies with this, and you'll kickstart their growth again. If you're wondering how to revive wilted pansies, this method really works. Take a tall glass container. Prepare some cinnamon, which has antifungal properties and strengthens plants. Add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and pour in about 1 quart of warm water. Stir and let it sit for a moment so the cinnamon can release its properties. Then strain it through cheesecloth. Now take another tall container and add 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. They provide nutrients and support soil development. Next, prepare the gardener's secret, a hop-based drink. It contains yeast, B vitamins, and micronutrients that support beneficial soil microorganisms and improve soil structure. Add about 10 fluid ounces of water and mix thoroughly. Then strain through cheesecloth. Finally, combine everything with the cinnamon solution you prepared earlier. Pour the mixture into a glass bottle so you can store it easily. You now have a ready fertilizer that will revive even the most wilted pansies and restore their healthy look. Remember to water regularly for even better results. Beer is a gardener's trick that few people know about. Used as a plant fertilizer, it naturally enriches the soil and supports plant growth. Hang aluminum foil on your plants. Your garden will thank you for it. This method deserves a medal. Start by preparing a small bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of ground coffee. Coffee contains caffeine and antioxidants, which have extraordinary properties, especially in the garden. Now, time for bay leaves. Highly aromatic, they have antibacterial and repellent effects. This is true garden gold. Crush 2 smaller bay leaves into small pieces. The next ingredient is hot red pepper. It releases a really strong, irritating smell. This is an important part of the mix. Add 1 teaspoon of paprika to the bowl. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Prepare a larger piece of aluminum foil. Place 1 tablespoon of the prepared mixture in the center. Fold the foil to form a smaller square packet. Take a toothpick and make several small holes across the surface of the foil. This step is crucial. Hang the finished packets on your plants in the garden, securing them with a clip. On flowers or shrubs, this acts as a natural barrier. It repels aphids, snails, ants, and other pests that can't stand the smell of this mixture. Additionally, the foil itself, by reflecting light, discourages insects from approaching the plants. It's a natural and safe solution to keep unwanted guests away.